Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about the forms in React.js. So let's understand with example. First of all, I just copy this one to in our application. So just refresh the UI. So here we have one form which name is. So here we have the form in which we are getting name from the users. So we can enter some inputs here. And to attach this form with state, we have to use state, and in use state we can use this name, and here we can use set name property, and for value we provide name here, and on change we call this function set name, and from here it will return us event, and inside event target dot value. So now when we click on this submit, we have to register on submit function and const on submit. Here we will get the submit event. Okay, so we are using this prevent default for prevent reloading our page. So when we click on submit, now you can see it's not reloading, but if we comment this line, and now when we click on submit, then it's refreshing the data. So to prevent that, we will use this prevent default. So here in console we can display data name from the name state. See, this is very basic example of the forms. Next example, we can have another type of data. So this is our first div, and we can make one more copy, second div. We can say it first name and last name, first name and last name. So we have to create one more state here for first name and for last name. Here we can change it first name and last name. By default we are making it empty, and for first name we can pass value from first name, and for last name we are passing value from last name, and next we have submit button. Here I am not using any CSS, so we need one submit button, so I just place it after this step. Now in console and refresh, submit. So we have Surinder and Singh. In forms, this input can be different types. For example, here we can see we can use the text area. So let's create one more element and name it as address, and in address we are going to use text area, and for address same we have to use address and address, and for set address we can use set address. So now we have address, last name, first name. Another values we can also use select. So for select we have to repeat the same step. Just copy this one and place it here. We can name it fruit, favorite fruit. So refresh this one and we have this favorite fruit value as well. So here we have one error, default value or value prop on select of settings, select an option. Okay, so we have to provide value or default value here. For value we can create one more state, and here we can say favorite fruit and set favorite fruit. Next on change, we have one selected, so we don't need this one, and now this error is gone. We just selected first name, last name, and we can add other props, address and favorite fruit. See, the output is coming here. So that's it for this video. In next video we will do this same thing with the letter B. See you in next lecture. Thanks for watching.